Welcome to our portable washer showdown. Today, we are comparing two innovative washing machines designed for small spaces, the DXJJ Portable Folding Mini Washer and the Freesinger Portable Washing Machine. Both of these compact units offer unique features tailored for convenience and efficiency, making them ideal for apartments, dorms, and travel. Let's dive into their specifications and see which one comes out on top. When it comes to price, the DXJJ Portable Folding Mini Washer is the more budget-friendly option at just $50. In contrast, the Freesinger Portable Washing Machine is priced at $59. While the Freesinger is slightly more expensive, it offers additional features that may justify the higher cost for some users. In terms of washing capacity, the DXJJ model can handle up to 10 liters, making it suitable for small loads. However, the Freesinger model boasts a larger capacity of 16 liters, allowing you to wash more clothes in one go. This significant difference in capacity can be a deciding factor for users with larger laundry needs. The DXJJ Portable Folding Mini Washer offers basic functionality with 3 washing modes, but it lacks a spin basket and advanced sanitization features. On the other hand, the Freesinger Portable Washing Machine includes a spin basket for easy water removal and utilizes blue light technology for enhanced hygiene. These features make the Freesinger a more versatile option for users concerned about cleanliness. In conclusion, both the DXJJ Portable Folding Mini Washer and the Freesinger Portable Washing Machine have their strengths and weaknesses. The DXJJ is a great budget option for those who need a simple, quiet washer, while the Freesinger offers more capacity and advanced features for a slightly higher price. Consider your laundry needs and preferences when making your choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.